It's sticker time, part 6. Yo, what's up guys? It is me, Zane, back here with another video. Please excuse all the ink and paint on my hands. So guys, we're back with another video. I have no clue what my channel has turned into. I never thought that I'd be doing sticker unboxing videos ever. Basically now my channel just consists of stickers and unboxing stuff. I really don't want to be known as a sticker unboxing channel, but I guess we are. School has been taking a lot of my time up, but what can we do? So we're back with another sticker unboxing video, part 6. We're back at it again. Always coming at you with new information on which companies send you free promotional items and stickers. I just want to give a huge shout out to these people just for being great supporters and asking me questions and stuff. And please guys, feel free to DM me on Instagram, ask me questions about the stickers. We got a lot of stickers here today guys, so I'm really excited to show you them. Let's go. Okay, so this first one comes from Vance and Hines. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. So these are really cool. They're like a very special material. So these are like plasticky. They're like I don't even know how to explain these. They're like a really nice plastic, like a thick layer of plastic. We got 5 Vance and Hines stickers. These I really like. They're great sizing, and very cool logo as well. I really like these. Very good selection, great amount, and great size. Not much more I could say on these, since considering that they're a white and black logo. But yeah, thank you so much, Vance and Hines. On to the next. Next one that we got comes from Audie's. So we got in this really weird envelope taped thingy. Very odd packaging, I must say. I don't even know what the hell is this? Okay, that was a lot of trouble. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 Audie's stickers, or ODs, I don't know how you say it. I really like the logo. Great sizing, great quantity. And I really like the logo because it's like an auxiliary cord or quarter inch, whatever you call those. And it's like the logo. Really nice. I'm also a big fan of music, so I dig these. Oh, we got another one. Next one comes from a very luxurious brand called Canada Goose. To you guys, these might look like patches. These are actually 2 Canada Goose stickers. They're really nice. It's basically, to me, this feels like a printed out paper material, but they're still nice and great size and really cool. Thank you, Canada Goose. Not much I can say on that. On to the next. Next one comes from Warheads. I've been trying to get stickers for them from like a really long time, but thanks for being a fan. We love to hear from our fellow. So we got a lot of cool ones here, and I'm really happy about them. So this is a temporary tattoo that says "Live Sour." So it's actually flipped, and this one says "Warhead Sour to the People." And it's just another sticker. Great size, great design. Then we have a Warheads logo. Amazing size and an amazing design for this one. And it's also clear, which I like too. A white Warheads outline sticker. I really like this one because this is good for like putting on black. I guess this is their new candy hot heads. This one's cool. I like it. And 2 tiny Warheads temporary tattoos. Thank you so much to Warheads. These are really cool. On to the next. Next one that we have comes from Mass General Store. Enclosed, we have this basic preppy Eastern 1883 Mass General Store sticker. Cool size. Mass General Store logo. I like the design a lot. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much to Mass General Store. Next one that we got comes from Sierra Design. We got a lot from Sierra Designs. This is just like a logo. 3 of these white Sierra Design decals. 3 of these Sierra Design small logos. 1 little Sierra Design badge. Another Sierra Design badge, but with a text around it. Something that looks like a tag, but it's a sticker. And something that says dry down. Overall, these are pretty basic. I do still want to give a huge shout out to Sierra Design. They're pretty cool, I guess, but they're not amazing, but they're pretty cool. They need to add more color besides the turquoise blue. I guess on to the next. Next one comes from Innova Disc Golf. This company gave me a lot of cool stickers. We got 2 really nicely sized logos. We got 1 in red, 1 in green. I really like them. Then we got some boring brochure. And then they gave us like this really cool like frisbee. It's like a small little frisbee. Anyways, thank you so much to Innova Disc Golf. I really dig them. Great size. You guys should definitely get these. Thank you so much. On to the next. Next one I'm really freaking happy about. This one comes from Rockstar Games, as in the makers of Grand Theft Auto. So I received these in the mail today and I was so freaking happy about what I got. They usually don't send these anymore. 2 days, it's my birthday, so this is like a really amazing early birthday gift. 2 Grand Theft Theft Auto sticker packs. As you can see, there's a character set, and then there's just like the brands of Grand Theft Auto. I love this sort of stuff. Then they sent me a really nice big Grand Theft Auto 5 sticker, and it's shiny. Oh, another bonus, all the back of the stickers, it's metallic. Then we got like 2 smaller versions. They're also the same metallic and all that stuff. And then I believe we got, oh my gosh, I love the colors. These are some really nice colors. So we got the generic yellow, orangey Rockstar logo, pink one, purple, red one, a lime green one, a green one, a blue on white one, and a black on blue. This is the best letter I've ever received. So far, they're looking really nice, great size and whatever. Big reveal. I haven't played Grand Theft Auto in a while. I do not know their names. I can't even imagine that they sent me this, and it has the Grand Theft Auto logo on the back. This guy, that girl that looks like Justine, I think this is Trevor, the dog. Those were the character pack. I love it. In all, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hopefully I'll know what these are. So these are the brands apparently. So they have fake brands in the game because copyrighted reasons. So I know about that. So here's the Los Santos lifeguard. Really nice size, literally size of my hand. Yeah, I like the design. Smoke on the water, prescription cannabis, TNT, Banshee. Already tell what this is. This is an In-N-Out fake vanilla unicorn, gentleman's club. This is like the logo for for the city of Los Santos. I like that. I'm guessing this is a Disney ripoff. Fred's Pictures, Blaine County. I have no clue what this is, but I like it. Amazing freaking sizes. These are so cool. I love the sizes and I love the design. And last but not least, this 5 logo, also shiny. Very cool. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again to Rockstar Games, and on to the next one that we got comes from 𝓨𝓷𝓷𝓽. They gave me 2 𝓨𝓷𝓷𝓽 logos, clear logos, a green and a blue logo. I like the logo, and I like the design and the size. So thank you so much to 𝓨𝓷𝓷𝓽. Next one that we got comes from Ram Mount. Ooh, a lot from Ram Mount. So we got 2 Ram Mount decals, really nice size, and I love the Ram. That's fun. We got 2 small Ram Mount sticker badges, I guess that's what you would call them. They're a little bit small, but cool size. And we got 2 of these smallish size Ram Mount stickers. They're pretty nice. Again, thank you so much to Ram Mount. Next one that we got comes from Wolverine Worldwide. We got 2 Meryl stickers. Pretty small size, but they're decals, so I always love having decals because it's so satisfying taking off and peeling and then like scratching, you know. Then we got 3 patches. Origins Kids, Easter 1981 with a raccoon. I like that. This one says Meryl Origins 1981. And it says Meryl Eagle Solo with a tree on it. So I like these. Thank you so much to Meryl. Next one that we got comes from NordVPN. We got tons from them too. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Why did I say NordVPN? Yo, I'm so sorry. What's wrong with me? I'm at Mullvad VPN. What is up with me today? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 amazingly sized Mullvad logos. Really love the design too of the Mullvad. 6 of these banner ones. We also have another 6 of these smaller banner ones, which is pretty cute. Basically, they have 1 of every size. Another 6 of these, but smaller and even tinier little Mullvad logo heads. Thank you so much to Mullvad VPN for sending those. I know. Next one comes from Cane's Chicken Fingers. Yo, when I opened this up, this made me so freaking hungry, and I'm sorry for anyone who's watching this on an empty stomach. So inside our little card, we actually have the Cane's logo attached with a 2 double-sided piece of tape. Very, very, very nice size, a very nice logo as well. Yeah, quantity, they only gave us 1. But I love this sticker. I love the size. It's actually a very nice size, perfect size. Thank you so much, Cane's Chicken Fingers. I really wish I could eat there. I'm hungry right now. No one's home. Can someone please Uber Eat me some Cane's or McDonald's? Thank you very much. Next one that we got comes from Body Armor. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 of these Body Armor Fruit Punch stickers. I gotta say, I would have liked it if but anyway, thank you so much to Body Armor, man. Next one comes from Toad & Co. These are really cool in my opinion. So it's like in a toad shape, 1 clear, 1 in blue. Really like it. In black, in white, Trail to Tavern. I like this one too. We got 2 of those, great size. And another white one. Thank you so much to Toad & Co. I love these. These are really cool. Definitely gonna stick these somewhere and promote you guys. Thank you so much to Toad & Co. You guys rock. On to the next one that we got comes from Code Ship. We got 4 of these 1-year anniversary ones. I really like the design. Size could be a bit bigger, but they're very good size. This one I really like because it's like a blue to purple gradient, and this one's just a blue. So thank you to Code Chip, really nice sizing. Comment guacamole pots if you're watching up until here though, and leave a like on this video. Next one comes from Jungle J. We got this really cool Jungle J decal. I really like it because he's holding a freaking tripod and a camera. Here we have Jungle J on a sticker. So we got Jungle J on a sticker. Then we have Jungle J Adventures, just like a little fire logo. We have one in red, and then we have like one like white. Thank you so much to Jungle J, man. So I got 2 of these. Thank you so much to Jungle J. Very cool stickers. Go check out his YouTube channel. He was really nice about it too. We're soon down to our final few, thank God. Next one comes from 𝓮𝓷𝓷𝓽 Sports. Oh dang, we got a lot from these, I remember. We got a really cool decal, 𝓲𝓪𝓵 decal, very nice too. Another 𝓲𝓪𝓵 and a clear 𝓲𝓪𝓵 black logo. Ooh, and I like this one. This one says atomic in like a nice red, nice cool font. Then we got like these, it's like foldable. Whoa. 5 Santo replacing luck. I love this design, and that's all we got. Thank you so much to 𝓮𝓷𝓷𝓽 Sports, man. Those were really cool. Next one comes from 𝓬𝓱𝓪𝓷𝓬. These are really cool. So all of these are decals, but I still really like them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 white decals from 𝓬𝓱𝓪𝓷𝓬. Great size, great quantity too. We got this one black one without the 𝓬𝓱𝓪𝓷𝓬 text. Really cool. Thank you so much to 𝓬𝓱𝓪𝓷𝓬. Next one comes from Koala Tree. Here we got like pitchfork and a shovel. A koala tree preppy thingy. Another koala tree logo. And a really cool ski koala tree. I like this one. That's cute. Thank you so much to Koala Tree. On to our last 3. So this one comes from Maui Gym. Inside this really freaking weird envelope. We got 2 Maui Gym logo stickers. I like this one. I like the parrot too. This one's, I'm assuming, yeah, a clear. Sizing, they could have done a better job. Design, excellent. Thank you so much to Maui Gym. On to our last and final one. I love receiving stuff like this in the mail because it's cool. Next one comes from General Motors. Inside, we got no stickers and just this hat. It says Chevrolet, which is pretty cool. It's apparently a comfort fit. Yeet. Yeah, so thank you so much to Chevrolet. My guy, I need to fix this. Oh my gosh. There we go. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, these take me so long to make and edit. This probably takes up to film a good 2 hours and to edit. So I'd really appreciate it if you show me some support. You guys comment down below that you want a new sticker video. You're gonna be featured in the next sticker video. Thank you guys so much. And FYI, in 2 days is my birthday, so I'd really love to see some happy birthday comments because I don't know. It would make me feel happy. So if you guys want to wish me a happy birthday, just comment on this video because I'm probably going to see it. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye!